Find a comfortable position, lying down if you can, or seated if that works better today. Let your eyes close gently or soften your gaze downward. Before we begin, just notice you've arrived here. That already matters. Just feel the whole body being held right now. The floor, the chair, the mat, whatever it is that is beneath you. Let yourself be supported. Nothing needs to change right now. Just notice what's already here. As we move through the body together, you might notice sensation directly. There could be warmth, pressure, tingling, or you might find it easier to imagine a soft warmth or gentle light resting on each place. Or maybe simply hearing my voice as a guide. Any of these is the practice. Just find what feels natural for you. Gently bring your attention to the toes of the left foot. Maybe you feel them directly. Maybe you're imagining a soft warmth settling there. Maybe you simply hear the word toes, and that's enough. Moving on to the sole of the left foot, the heel, the ankle, the lower left leg, the knee, the upper left leg, the thigh. If something strong arises anywhere, see if you can stay close gently, like sitting beside something tender. If at any time it feels like too much, let the breath find you. Just notice it moving wherever you feel it most naturally. Maybe the sound of it, maybe the feeling of it, just the simple fact of it. And even if that feels difficult today, you can maybe softly open your eyes and feel both feet on the floor or wherever they are at this moment. There is no wrong way to be here. Now moving on to the toes of the right foot. There could be sensation, warmth, or simply your quiet attention resting here. The sole, the heel, moving on to the ankles, then to the lower right leg and the right knee, the upper right leg and the thigh. The pelvis and hips, a place that holds so much without being asked. Lightly bring your attention to the lower back, the middle back, then the upper back. The belly rising and falling. You don't have to do anything. Just breathing as it is, as it should be. Bringing your attention lightly to the chest. Maybe you're feeling some warmth in there, maybe not. Maybe you're feeling the sound of your heartbeat, or maybe just the breath moving quietly. Have that warmth, attention to the left hand and the right hand, the fingers, the palms. Maybe you feel something soft. Moving up both arms together. Just moving your attention here, not really doing anything with your arms. Your forearms, elbows, upper arms. Then the shoulders. So much can gather here without our noticing. If you'd like, you can say a gentle hello to your neck, the front of the neck, and the back of the neck. Rest your attention to the face, the jaw, feeling if there's anything holding here, any sort of tension, and soften that maybe a little bit. Then the mouth and the cheeks, around the eyes and the forehead, just the crown of the head, just the top of your head. Maybe you can imagine warmth or light completing its gentle journey here. Now for just a moment of the whole body, just being aware of the whole body and all the different parts together, just breathing, just being held, just sensing the wholeness. There could be sensation, feeling of warmth. There could be sounds. Whatever carried you through, it was all the practice. Whatever you noticed today, maybe there was ease, some discomfort, maybe wandering, or maybe nothing clear. All of that belongs here. And then gently coming back to the room wherever you are, maybe just gently opening your eyes, taking your own time. Thank you so much for your practice of the body scan. Body scans can help release physical tension, reduce stress, and even improve sleep. So come back to the body at any time. It is always here with you. I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day.